Welcome to Best Choice. The best save for later is probably one of the most essential features for any online shopper looking to manage their purchases efficiently, allowing you to curate wishlists, track items you're interested in without immediate commitment, and revisit them at a more convenient time, ensuring you never miss out on products you love or forget about those important purchases you plan for the future, making your online shopping experience smoother and more organized. Number 5. Glocusent Upgraded LED Neck Reading Light. Experience ultimate comfort with our upgraded reading light. Its slim, ergonomic neck design and lightweight build ensure a relaxing reading experience without strain. Never worry about leaving your light on. Our built-in 30-minute timer automatically shuts off, making it the perfect companion for those who drift off while reading. Tailor your light to any task. Choose from 3 color temperatures, including a special blue light blocking amber mode, and adjust brightness to create your ideal ambience. Enjoy your personal space without disturbing others. The focused beam directs light precisely where you need it, creating a private bubble for your activities. Stay illuminated for hours on end. With its 1000 mAh rechargeable battery, enjoy up to 80 hours of use on a single charge, perfect for extended reading sessions. We stand by our product with excellent service. Enjoy a 30-day return policy, a 24-month warranty, and certified quality for your peace of mind. What we like? If you're looking for a way to read without disturbing others, this is the perfect choice. Its focused beam creates a private reading zone. If you often read in bed or in shared spaces, you should consider this. What people say. It made a fantastic flashlight, bend and twist, and only now, near a month past purchase, and only last night, did its light dim and required a charge. It took a collective and approximately 12 to 24 hours within a month of use before a charge was needed. The battery lasts quite a while, and 3 light temperature settings, 3 levels of brightness, and ordered in her favorite color. Ah. The delight and relief. It functions like a dream. It is flexible enough to make people believe you have 2 glowing eyes or antennae, or to angle them right where you need to fight the darkness and illuminate for what your eyes wish to behold. Fantastic light. It has multiple levels of brightness, 3 shades of color. It works well for reading books in bed, and I'm eager to try it for crocheting at night also. The battery has been long-lasting, and it is lightweight and easy to adjust. Excellent light, 4 different light colors plus the brightness and dimming features. 1 button on the back plus 1 button on each side for ease of use. It's very robustly made and high quality. The weight is perfect around the neck, just don't expect you can sleep with it because it may cause discomfort. For reading or any other use it's excellent. Battery life is great, it's rechargeable with a C-cord. Number 4. LilyAna Naturals Anti-Aging Retinol Face Cream. Tired of seeing fine lines and wrinkles? Our advanced formula is designed to target these common signs of aging, helping you achieve a smoother, more youthful complexion. Experience a noticeable lift and firmer appearance. This cream works to improve skin's elasticity, giving you a more sculpted and toned look. Quench your skin's thirst with intense hydration. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it delivers moisture deep into the skin, leaving it feeling plump and supple. Support your skin's natural collagen production. This helps to plump and revitalize your complexion from within, reducing the appearance of aging. Let it work its magic while you sleep. This hydrating night cream is perfect for overnight renewal, ensuring you wake up to refreshed and revitalized skin. Formulated for effectiveness without harshness. It's suitable for women seeking a powerful yet gentle solution for their anti-aging skincare routine. What we like? For those concerned about aging skin and fine lines, this cream is a great option. If you want to firm your skin and reduce wrinkles while you sleep, you should consider this. What people say. It takes a very small amount, glides on smoothly, and leaves no grease or residue. My skin has improved its appearance in just a few days. The fine line wrinkles are smoothing, and my pores are reduced in size. It has improved the texture of my skin tremendously and helped with the blotchiness. I use it where I have fine lines on my forehead and my crow's feet and under eyes, and I have found it to be really gentle, and with everyday use it has softened my lines. Good for sensitive skin. Number 3. Clever Fox Alphabetical Password Book. Tired of forgetting your passwords? This handy journal helps you create and securely store all your important login information in one easy-to-find place. Finding what you need is a breeze with its alphabetical tabs. It also includes dedicated sections for crucial passwords, network settings, and notes. Designed for privacy, its cover is anonymous, and you can even write hints instead of the actual passwords for extra security. This pocket-sized organizer fits perfectly anywhere. It features a durable eco-leather cover, elastic closure, pen loop, bookmark, and thick paper. We're confident you'll love it, but if not, we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. Contact us for a hassle-free refund or exchange. What we like? If you're tired of forgetting your passwords or struggling to keep them organized, this is the solution. Its alphabetical tabs make finding logins a breeze. If you value security and easy access to your online accounts, you should consider this. What people say. Plenty of space to enter data. Notebook is large enough that should not be easy to misplace. Has alphabetical tabs. AZ tabs. 6 pages per letter. 5 entries per page. Large lettering, extra space, thick paper. Ribbon bookmark. Elastic book closure. 5 blank pages, and some helpful information. And a pocket in the back for all those bits of paper. The alphabetical tabs make it very easy to find what you need quickly, which is exactly what I was looking for. Number 2. Shout Active Enzyme Laundry Stain Remover Spray. Tired of stubborn stains? Introducing a revolutionary laundry spray designed to tackle over 100 types of everyday messes. Its triple-acting formula is your secret weapon for cleaner clothes. This powerful spray works in 3 ways. It clings to the stain, penetrates deep into the fabric, and then lifts the stain away. Experience a new level of clean with this innovative solution. From coffee spills to grass marks, no stain is too tough. This pre-wash spray is effective on a wide variety of everyday stains, ensuring your garments look their best. Simply spray it on before washing for an effective pre-treatment. It makes laundry day easier by tackling stains before they set in, saving you time and effort. Despite its powerful stain-lifting capabilities, it's gentle on fabrics. You can trust it to remove tough stains without damaging your favorite clothes. Get the most out of your laundry routine with this generously sized 22-ounce bottle. It provides long-lasting performance, ensuring you're always ready for unexpected spills. What we like? When faced with tough laundry stains, this spray is your go-to. Its triple-acting formula tackles over 100 types of everyday messes. If you have a lot of laundry challenges or want to pre-treat stains effectively, you should consider this. What people say. It works really well on a variety of stains and is simple to apply without any hassle. I've never had issues with it leaving marks or affecting the color of my clothes. The spray nozzle distributes the product evenly, and the formula clings to the fabric instead of immediately running off. It penetrates well and gives stains a real chance to break down before washing. It works extremely well on a wide variety of stains, including food spills, grease, sweat, and everyday messes that normally don't come out with regular detergent alone. I've used it on both fresh stains and set-in stains, and it consistently delivers great results. Number 1. Docrok All-Purpose Stainless Steel Shower Squeegee. Tired of water spots and soap scum? This squeegee effortlessly removes water droplets and buildup from your shower doors and other surfaces. Achieve a sparkling clean with just a few wipes, leaving no streaks or squeaks behind. Crafted from 100% rust-resistant stainless steel and a premium silicone blade, this tool is built for durability. Its exquisite craftsmanship ensures long-lasting use for all your daily cleaning needs. Experience a comfortable, non-slip grip thanks to its ergonomic design. The precise silicone blade allows you to clean your shower walls and other surfaces efficiently, saving you time and effort. This versatile squeegee is perfect for a variety of smooth surfaces. Use it on shower glass doors, tile walls, car windows, mirrors, and more, both indoors and outdoors. Keep it handy with the included adhesive hooks. Simply attach them to any smooth surface in your shower, kitchen, or any other convenient location for easy access and use. What we like? For a sparkling clean without the hassle, this tool is ideal. It effortlessly removes water and soap scum from various surfaces. If you want to easily clean shower doors, mirrors, or windows with a streak-free finish, you should consider this. What people say. Sturdy, looks nice, and works perfectly in my shower, and it came with a wall hook which I put up in the shower. I wanted a nice-looking quality squeegee that I could use for a nicer shower that would last and hold up, and this is it. Love that it comes with the adhesive hooks you can choose from. Very nice. Removed water without streaks on my glass shower doors very well. This squeegee is heavy duty. Does not feel cheap. The rubber is flush and does not leave any water behind. It makes after shower care a breeze with this thing. I love how it came with a hanging hook and an additional single hook. The adhesive is super strong. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.